Be Sure to Cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today we're going to be making cottage cheese Alfredo pasta with zucchini. So stay tuned and let's do this. Hey, it's Be Sure to Cook here. We just received this beautiful custom cutting board from cuttingboard.com and we are so excited to share this with you. Cuttingboard.com specializes in premium sustainable cutting boards. And they went above and beyond with this custom design just for us. It's just not about the look. It's built to last. Look at this board. It's a beautiful board. It's my design and I love it. And it's custom made. Get your board and get your design and you're gonna love it too. Customboard.com has all the best brands like John Boo and so much more. You can even get your own board custom made with your name or your own design. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with a cutting board like this, just click the link below. I want to give a big thanks to cuttingboard.com for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to click the link below. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting up some garlic and we're going to get that started by cutting up the garlic and rinsing it off and getting it started. Okay, what I was rinsing off was a zucchini. I rinsed it off very thoroughly, and you always make sure you want to rinse these off. The only reason why I do, because people do little things in the store, they dig in their nose, they don't wash their hands. So you make sure you wash your vegetables. So I'm going to just take a peeler and a potato peeler, and I'm just going to peel just some of these off on the side. I'm just going to make a great design by peeling, so I can get a little bit of green, a little bit of the white inside of it. But I do want the green because it makes it look so pretty with the zucchini. Okay, so now I did that. I'm going to throw that to the side. I use my little thing for my garbage pan when I want to throw everything in there. Okay, I was thinking about how do I want to do this? Do I want to chop it up? You can do it any way you want because this is going to be in a pasta. So I wanted to really, really look beautiful. So then I thought to myself, well, maybe I should just cut this and do something really, really nice. Maybe I should do little strips. Okay, so this is about a teaspoon of butter, and you can use your type of butter. I like to use a healthier butter, and this butter has omega-3s and a whole bunch of stuff, so I love to use it. And this is a great butter to use, but you can use whatever butter you want. Okay, so I'm going to use about a teaspoon of that chopped garlic, and I want to get that in there. Really, really good. I'm going to add some seasoning to this to give it a little bit more better taste here. Okay, now these garlic is sizzling. I'm going to add my little zucchinis in there. And like I said, I make it a little bit, but if you want to make more, just double your ingredients. While this is cooking, I turn it down low because I don't want to overcook this. I'm just going to add a pinch of salt. And believe me, this is sea salt, or you can use kosher salt, any one you want. Okay, I've got some bow tie pasta. Pretty much you can use whatever pasta you want. I thought the bow ties bring it out with the zucchini to make it look good. I'm going to use about a whole cup of bow tie pasta. Okay, I got 2 cups of boiling water. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of olive oil. And while I do that, I don't just like my noodles to stick. A lot of people like to put salt in it because they said the salt makes it not stick and gives it a better flavor. Okay, you can do that if you want, but I prefer the olive oil. So I'm going to take my 2 cups of pasta. I mean, my 1 cup of pasta. Sorry, and to 2 cups of boiling water. See, I got it backwards. Okay, let's do a quick. Okay, we have a blender over here this time, and why I got this? It's already been washed and cleaned. And why I got this? I want to make my sauce. So since this is a cottage cheese thing, and it's going to be a sauce, I'm going to be using real cottage cheese. This is a cup of cottage cheese. And I sound so funny saying that, don't I? Cottage cheese. I mean, this is the way I said it. Just made me think. Wait a minute, like I'm in a cottage. I've got some powdered Parmesan cheese, and that's 2 tablespoons. Sorry, I got 1/2 cup of the grated Parmesan cheese because I want to give it flavor. Okay, now we're gonna blend this up, and we can be adding other stuff in it while it's blended. Okay, then I'm going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of all around season. Any season you want. You want to bring that out because you really want to make sure that gets in there. I'm using 1 tablespoon of powdered Alfredo mix if you want that Alfredo taste. So that goes in there, and I'm going to show you the Alfredo. Okay, I turned it back on because I need a little salt on it. So I'm using about 1/2 tablespoon, 1/2 teaspoon of parsley flakes to give it color and flavor. Okay, I'm going to add in my pasta. I got a little pasta water saved over here if I need to make this thinner, which I think I am. And I'm going to, now, here's the star, guys. Remember those wonderful zucchinis I made? Zucchini, sorry. I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to mix all of this up. Wow, that's going to be delicious. Okay, I'm going to take my zucchini. Oh, and look at the flavor. Look, it looks so good. The flavor is going to be fantastic. I can just look at it and tell. You got your zucchini in there. Here's my pasta sauce. All I'm going to do is pour. I don't want a lot. I don't want to smother it. You never want to smother your pasta, where it's just, you just want to coat it up, and you just want to keep stirring until every little pasta and zucchini is covered. You don't want to over cover it because it makes it just it just makes it too much. And then there you go, nice and coated. Let's plate this up. Okay, a little bit of garnish on here. Oh, I love garnish. To make that look delicious. It is delicious. And here you go, my cottage cheese Alfredo pasta with zucchini. Oh, it's just a quick, easy way. You come home, you make this in less than 30 minutes, and you're eating. As long as it takes you to cook your pasta, you can make this dish within 30 minutes. And you're eating because it takes about 15 minutes maybe just to do your pasta. So by the time you do all your other stuff for your sauce, you're around less than 30 minutes. Hey guys, I hope you all like the show. I hope you come back for more shows. I hope you enjoy my cottage cheese Alfredo pasta with zucchini. This is a delicious dish. Try it with your family at home. Hey, I didn't make this alone. You and me, we did this together. We made this, and I hope you enjoy what you made. Hey, see you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. Be sure to cook. Today we're going to be doing meatball subs. We're going to do everything homemade. And I'm going to add a little Creole seasoning inside of there. I'm going to give this a great stir. Look at that, guys. I am good to go. I hear you. Yes. Oh my God, that is wonderful. So that was about 4 to 5. I'm back. Bye.